it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with another one. We're here with Armanii and DJ Mac. HAAD, the song name HAAD, Fiesta freestyle. Is this Fiesta like arcade classic Fiesta? Doom, doom, doom. Chilling in my 4.6. Is it that the same rhythm? Was it called Fiesta or a different thing? Wagwan. Sorry to interrupt your video, guys. Sorry to interrupt your video. Today again with some more promotions, guys. So if you need your videos or your songs to be on the platform, you can follow me on Instagram and send me a message in my DMs. Serious inquiries only, please, if you want prices and stuff like that, and you're serious about putting the music out there as a young artist and big artist. Same way, you can do that same way by linking up. You see me? Jamaica_verse_gamer on Instagram. You see me? Also, guys, if you have any party you promote and you need promotional prices, also you can link me up for that. You see me? But yeah, let's get back to the video. So we're gonna jump in and here with the GSA. Let's go!
Pull up! Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
Oh, fuck, lad! We had to pull up again. Pull up!
Yo! Pull up! Let's go!
This rhythm is a classic rhythm, bro. This rhythm is a classic rhythm. Like, let's go. Let's go. No one ever big up. Box! Give me a. Leah this ready.
Riddim, mommy, don't worry, my wife will fuck it up. Make me happy whenever you cock it up. In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You and the pussy, me have to go down me jump. Panic, I give you a gabble, no, mommy, don't pay.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
DJ Mark, you're fighting!
Girl, your pussy so fat.
Pussy fat, man! DJ Mark, ready? Armanii, ready?
Don't worry, my wife will fuck it up.
Yeah.
Make me happy whenever you cock it up.
Yeah.
In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You and the pussy, me have to go down me jump. Panic, I give you a gabble, no, mommy, don't pay. We pretty feeling, she love when me fuck you rough. Them drop it pussy, me take it for damn enough. More and bubble and drop it low. So me fuck you very hard. Fiesta, fun pussy, the cause erection. Love the pussy, turn around, selector.
Pull up! Yo! Pull up!
What am I listening to? Mark, are you remixing Riddim, dog? Again! Bomba Rizzy, big up! Fiesta! When you hear the rhythm, you ask for box!
Mommy, don't worry, my wife will fuck it up.
Box!
Make me happy whenever you cock it up.
Box!
In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You and the pussy, me have to go down me jump. Panic, I give you a gabble, no, mommy, don't pay. We pretty feeling, she love when me fuck you rough. Them drop it pussy, me take it for damn enough. More and bubble and drop it low.
Ready again, already. Yeah.
Fiesta, fun pussy, the cause erection. Rub your pussy, turn around, selector. Two root, take a ras, detention. Fiesta, fun pussy, the cause erection. Rub your pussy, turn around, selector.
Bomba class summer song.
Anything on a party, we are done up. Take a puff and pass, I get it up.
What?
I mean money and tax, so get your buns up. Mommy tell me a secret, so she love. Feel me Barbie can't see me that. After we touch one time, she can't see me back. I did just she want get it got. Mommy fling it.
Level. Watch your side now. Fiesta.
Fun pussy, the cause erection. Rub the pussy, turn around, selector. Two take a ras, detention. Fiesta. Fun pussy, the cause
Fiesta. Bomba class, Armanii. Again. No, sir. Sorry. I'm sorry, but I'm not sorry. When bad, song bad. You have to drop song 1,000,001 times. Money pull up, ready? Ready? Big up on that sexy nails I'm walking in. Yeah. Big up on that G them over the bar. No, me let's come in here. No dry throat reasoning. Clap. Party at you now. The party morning name catch this morning. For the girl them break out and go on, but ready.
Don't worry, man, why you for pack it up?
Yeah.
Make me happy whenever you cock it up.
Yeah.
In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up.
Yeah.
You and the pussy, me have to go down me jump. Me cocky, she a gobble, no mommy top. Me pretty feeling, she love when me fuck you up. Them drop it pussy, me take it for damn enough. Me want you bubble and drop it low. So me fuck you very hard. Fiesta, fun pussy, the cause.
Election.
Rub your pussy, turn around, selector. Two root, take a ras, detention.
Fiesta.
Fun pussy, the cause.
Election.
Rub your booty, turn around, selector.
Give me your verse now.
Anything on a party, we are done up. Take a puff and pass, I get fucked up. And me money and tax, so get your buns up. Mommy tell me a secret, so she love.
Yeah.
Feel me Barbie can't see me.
Rude.
After we touch one time, she
Can't see me back, no.
I did just, she want get it got. Mommy fling it up. So me go get very hard.
Fiesta.
Fun pussy, the car.
Yo, the way all the G's study that stuff. Yo, that area when that song when the original Riddim just dropped on R. Kelly Fiesta, a Jersey and them thing they are beat. If you check even R. Kelly video, a Jersey the man them in a Armanii, emulate. Armanii do it.
Time she can't see me back.
DJ man, pick up yourself, dog. You're a genius, bro.
Mommy fling it back.
You bring it back, you know.
Very hard. Fiesta, fun pussy, the cause erection. Rub the pussy, turn around, selector. Two root, take a ras, detention.
Man, I want to blast up on the face. Nelly style from them time, then Nelly.
Pussy, turn around, selector.
Class. Okay, very hard. Mark, you can't make this sound juggling, brother. Do all of them woman them a for me. Babylon a been when the woman them a give me. You go yo. Do all of them woman them a. Do all of them woman them a. Do all of them. Yo, we feel like we play it again, you dog. I see me feel like we play it again now. You know the song body now? Mark, hear me I say, dog. You can't make this sound juggling, bro. Like, we don't want to hear some other artists on the rhythm. What want to say? We can play it again? What is it? Yeah? Alright, let's go again. Let's play it again. Let's play it again. That is what we're gonna do. We're gonna play it again.
Let's go.
I want it! Directed by Rizzy. Big up yourself, Rizzy. Production team. No or never. Video clean like Jesus Police record. Ready. We're ready now.
Don't worry, man, why you for fuck it up?
Ready.
Make me happy whenever you cock it up. In the traffic, you're giving the slappy up. You and the pussy, me have to go down me jump. Me cocky, she a gobble, no mommy top. We pretty feeling, she love when me fuck you up. Them drop it pussy, me take it for damn enough. Me want you bubble and drop it low.
How you know very hard, Fiesta.
Fun pussy, the cause
Direction.
Rub your pussy, turn around, selector. Two root, take a ras, detention. Fiesta. Fun pussy, the cause direction. Rub your booty, turn around, selector.
Watch your style now.
Anything on a party, we are done up. Take a puff and pass, I get fucked up. And me money and tax, so get your buns up. Mommy tell me a secret, so she love. Feel me Barbie can't see me that. After we touch one time, she can't
See me back.
I did just, she want get it got. Mommy fling it back, so me fuck it very hard.
Fiesta.
Fun pussy, the cause erection. Rub the pussy, turn around, selector. Two root, take a ras, detention.
Fiesta.
Fun pussy, the cause
Direction.
Rub the booty, turn around, selector.
Yeah, I want the next verse for the song, dog. I swear. Make a collab. Make a collab to the remix. Remix the remix. Yeah. Wanna get remix the remix? We can hear Valiant Banner Riddim the same way. Yeah, we can hear Valiant Banner Riddim, definitely. Fiesta. Fiesta. Let me book your burial. Fiesta. Fiesta. Oh my God! Mark, hear me, I say, dog. Jano. When you can't make this in one juggling, bro? Yo, me hear a few artists on the rhythm, dog. I swear. Me hear Roger Wild on the rhythm, me hear Mac, me hear Valley on the rhythm. Who else me hear on the rhythm? Who else me hear on the... A few artists on the rhythm, dog. I swear. Yo. This is a move, bro. This is a power move by Mac and Armanii. Big up on yourself, dog. Big up on yourself. The song bad as well. Me nah long the reaction no more. See, if you don't like what I say, drop a like on the video. If for the first time here, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.